morning everyone, welcome back to Get Ready With Me Monday. First, I would like to start with a quote. Everything comes to you at the right time. Be patient and trust the process. So let's get started and trust the process. First color, Supreme. I will apply this color all over my crease and eyelid. Whatever is left over on my brush, I'm going to run this along my lower lash line. Next shade, Shookington. This will go all over my eyelid. Then going in with the shade Soleil. This is for the center of my eyelid. With a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend all the shades together. Now I'm going in with the color Pinker. Applying that directly to my lower lash line. I want to brighten it up with Trust Issues. Filling in my eyebrow with my Right Is Here. My cheekbone highlight, Cursed. This will be my brow bone highlight as well. A little bit of blush. I'm going to put on some mascara and earrings. I'll be right back with the finished eye look. By trusting the process, I've created a very playful, bubbly eye makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!